Brother, a society brand with that the way they know as a man, dog. As a man. Yo, if I did Cardi B,
that different, dog.
You see what me I tell you, dog? I see what me I tell you.
Look at her. Alright, man, I show you.
By society if you think that
way. And a program by society. You see what you know?
Why you mean?
You see an idea?
Why man no want spousal support?
Vice Cartel did already tell you before him start them tour. You see me? The man say if you get at the in your city that a couple million US dollar.
So Trinidad never come up with a million.
Listen up, the man say if you get at the in your city that a couple million US dollar and it cannot fit in your belly.
Everyone give me some space. Okay. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Right. Impact, I'm ready to brace. Okay. We fall down and land on our face. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Right. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave.
Yeah, listen to me, man. You don't know. Welcome back to another episode of Rap and Chat with Trexdan.
Nas.
What you mean? Wagwan. Wagwan, what is it?
Yeah. How do you it?
There, man. I enjoy life to the fullest.
Yeah.
Life sweetie. Yeah, man.
A boss of champagne.
So you're depend differently, my dad?
Yeah, same way.
Life sweet, not true?
Life sweet.
Yeah, man. Yo, people, thanks to everybody who subscribe, everybody who turn on the post notification. Guys, please give us a thumbs up. And you say if you not subscribe yet, come on, where are we at, pan? Just click the subscribe button, no, man. We are talking about. Let's do it.
Yo, subscribe, dog.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. When you say people don't go subscribe.
Oh, you mean, dog?
Yeah,
you know, it's a love and hate relationship. You see me?
Yo, we respect on the same way, no matter who.
Oh, man, we love them.
We respect on the same way, you see me?
Love and hate relationship.
So what are you chat about in idea now, dog?
Yo, my daddy, you know, we see a little thing that circulate on the media where this man, this JPS man go, I don't know if he go to cut a light, read a meter, or give a notice or something, but a man run him out of the yard, and after I run him out of the yard, him run down the man. It look like them have some form of altercation, some form of argument develop. They had that altercation, see? And boom, it's like him run down the man pull out him knife, but I don't
really know say man pull out knife, because on the video you can't really see it.
Even that too, because me never see that. Because so that's what they said in the news, in the reports.
Yeah, but him going to need a justification for pulling weapon. But I say man no really do it still, you know.
Yeah.
But me I say the way of me see the video, dog, they look like you run down the man like you trigger happy, bro.
It escalated to a point where him pull in firearm, shoot the man in the chest, shoot the man in the head.
Bro.
You get me I say?
Charge a youth.
And like that's sad, brother. Me not go like sad cause remember, a man can't have in you them. You see me? And you get up this morning, you go to work with the intention to go back home, go see your youth them. And a man, you're there on your job, and a man where know you, the man where know you, shoot you and kill you.
Dog.
You get me I say?
Yo, let me tell you something, dog. You see, when you have a weapon, my youth, you have to have self-control. That's one thing, bro. You see, if you're not self-control, bro, and you trigger happy, my youth, everything you go on pop off. You see me I say? Me now say, yo, me don't know what go on in the before the video, the altercation before the you know me I say? But based on when me I look on the you run down the man, it seems like the man I try to get away from you. If me have a weapon and me know say me in an altercation, bro, the last thing me I think, unless my life is in immediate danger. But the last thing, because if you're too trigger happy, that's the first thing I go think about.
Oh, watch this now, I show you something. You see most of them man dog where you see, like they have it all, bro. Sometimes a man will have it less, you know, bro. You will have joy and a man jealous of your joy, you know, my youth. You will live in a little touch house, you know, and a man will live in a
big house.
One big 2-story, 3-story house. Grudge you, you know. Because you probably You probably make people happy. You probably attract females. Dog, people will grudge you for simple things. And if them a friend and you kill your friend, obviously you're jealous of your friend.
Me don't know that. Me don't think that was warrant for the man shoot the man.
Yo, yeah, show them a video.
Shoot the man twice and twice.
Yeah, show them a video.
We can show it. Yeah, we can
show the video, man.
Dog.
Pretty the video, people.
You dip on social media and them see it still, but
yeah, man.
Yeah, you see me? Yo, brother, look. You see say man run down the man, dog?
Yeah, that may I show you.
Bro.
That may I show you.
Yeah.
So, watch this now. No, it's good for them can see what go on right here, so to, you know. Because, you know, they done there so already, so they see what go on. You get me, I say?
Yeah,
so, guys, as you guys just saw, the man run down the man, and we don't know what happened, but the end result, one of the man lose their life.
And them did they argue a little bit. Zane?
You see me?
Them did they argue a little bit. And me I say, if your sister the man have a knife, stay away from the danger. Yeah, or if the man pull out a knife, all you have to do, even pop off and set a boom and step back. But then again, still in a dog. The rules of weapon in it. So when you have a gun, you see when you pull that gun, you must intend to use that gun in a dog.
You
understand? Do not pull your weapon unless you intend to kill where they in front of you.
Bro, man, I tell you, it's sad. Yeah, man,
I feel
it's
like
sad,
the
man
just there looks something to justify him shooting why him say, yo.
There is no justification this. You can't justify that. A man have a knife. Are you run down the bombard, man? Are you run down the man?
It's clear in the video. It's clear in the video, dog.
Are you think a prison, brother? That's something I left
you. You don't come like, yo, let me tell you something. You see, if you're a man in an altercation and you have a weapon, see?
Yeah.
And the man say you have a weapon and run off, you can't fucking shoot the man again in the dog.
Exactly.
If your life is not in immediate danger, bro, you don't need to use that kind of force, or you don't need to use your weapon.
When they got court, they put in my bottom of my prison. You see me? Wipe on the bottom, but I bottom my prison figure.
Yeah,
you see me?
My condolences to the family.
Right, so you get me, I say?
The man will drop out.
Yeah, man. Because even look on the other day, them a give some man firearm, bro, where them a abuse it, brother. Look on the man who step in a nurse said, and have a gun in her hand. Look on that, them.
Yes, I remember that. Yo, as I look at
them man how them a give gun my youth, them, yo.
No, but you can't know, even if.
Dog, them not do no back. Let me tell you this. They not do no background check on the man them. You know what happen? Once the man them have the money, bro, then just squeeze them the money and then get them thing.
Well, yeah, you have some of that to go on. So, but you can't really know who is who some of the time still in
bro, listen up.
You understand?
You see, if you do a thorough check, bro, if you go to boom and you go in a community, you know, go ask people who live right side of your man, you know, brother. You go ask people who you would at least expect them to ask. Somebody will live all the way, like we out on the front, or, you know, just ask people, come down the line till you reach that them and they get, bro. Sometimes they not do them check, the brother, you have to listen. Yeah, when they give people gun, bro, they have to find out what kind of person they might give.
Yes.
This machine, brother.
Yes, but Trek, sometimes when you give the people them the gun, certain situation warrant why the person use the gun.
Bro, enough man.
You can have a license firearm as a law-abiding citizen.
Yeah.
But then again, the situation where you go end up in you use lethal force where it never necessary for
you.
And you get yourself in a problem.
So let me show you, say, watch I no gun kill people, you know that.
Yes.
A people kill people,
true,
you know, brother.
But
most of them man my you, most of the man them where them a give gun them, bro, they nah run no background check on them.
That at Jamaica still, but
most of the man them, once they have their money, brother, and they know this man around us, and they know that the man around us, bro, they might get the gun. Government put a stoppage to it, brother.
Me know that stay. But me I say, it boils down to the person who have the gun if you have self-control, bro. You can't too trigger happy.
You're right.
The first thing you can't reach for your weapon, every little altercation or situation. Because some man jump in that. Some man, because they have a gun on their waist in that, then we come up in front of you and you see me I say, I'll box you on them thing, bro.
Because they want you to do something.
Because they want you to do something for papa. But you have to, you see that, you have to relax. A man with a weapon, you have to relax. Nobody nothing knows you have gun unless it really required.
This a piss me off, dog. You better People, when I drop in a comment and make we know what you think. But yo, as a Jamaican man, Zayn, I don't know if you hear about this. As a Jamaican man, what you think about the CARDI B and the Offset situation? As a Jamaican man.
Yeah, a too rich person we are talking about. Zayn, first thing
Too rich
foremost,
individual.
Too rich individual.
Yeah.
Zayn, them have them own money. Now, you see celebrity lifestyle, dog, I always look on it this way. Zayn,
Yeah.
if you separate and gone left that the woman there who's a celebrity, I don't think nobody will need anything from anybody because we both have money.
Take your celebrity out, right? As a man. As a man.
Alright, so dog, you have to look upon it like me have money, dog. Even as a man, because as a poor man with a property different. But as a man with money,
yeah,
me wouldn't want nothing from you,
alright,
man.
say
Dog.
not even as a man with money, a man with ambition, because you see ambition, bro.
I've said a millionaire, dog.
Yeah,
The
my
man didn't
millionaire.
shout or nothing.
Oh.
So why you want
Alright.
things from CARDI B?
Tell the people them what we are talking about.
So them file a divorce, then well, a CARDI B filed a divorce.
Yeah.
And then Offset now say, yo, he want some spousal support, something like that. You see me? She can't just walk away.
Dog, the American man are
And
dog.
them have
Listen,
kids and them something there. You see
bro,
me?
them American man are them are some like a bitch, brother.
No, dog, you can't say that.
No, man, them are bitch, man, dog. Let me tell you this.
Dog, you can't say that,
Let me tell you this, dog.
You can't say that.
As a
Because-
Jamaican man, you feel safe. As a Jamaican man, me attack from my behalf. Dog, if me there with that woman and things go south, and me and her have to separate, brother. If she have her money,
you don't look for the money.
when I look for money, dog, when me go, dog, that's some move to me, dog.
Dog, me not think
Me
of
feel,
a
watch
bitch
this.
move, dog.
You know what me
Me not
pre?
think of a bitch move.
No, dog, move, brother.
Yo,
As a man, so you as a man.
brother, a society brand with that
No.
the way they know
No,
about
dog.
as a man, dog. As a
Oi,
man.
are
Yo,
you
if I did
responsible?
CARDI B,
That different, dog.
you see what me I
So
tell
no
you, dog?
woman,
I see what me I tell you.
look at her. All right, man, I show you
Program by
something.
society if you think that
And a
way.
program
dog.
by
You mean,
society.
dog?
You see what you know?
Why you mean?
You see an idea?
Why man no want spousal support?
Dog, you man have your money, man.
So what about that? CARDI B now money too?
So dog, so why him so friggin' greedy if you want CARDI B money?
Why Kardashian did want in Kanye West money when Kanye West and Kardashian are two millionaire people? Why is it that Kardashian did want Kanye West money? It end up that Kanye West have to PR hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Are two rich people them there?
Yeah, two rich people, but me I say.
When woman in a situation
Listen, bro.
like those, dog, and them a walk away, then drain the man and take what they can take.
You're right.
you
You're
mean?
right. But me I tell you, say,
What you
as a
mean?
man, bro, as a man.
Brother, stop say as a man, dog.
As a man, me feel like say,
Dog.
when you and a woman left, you make your man go on with what she have, bro.
Talking about that.
Cardi B could have said she want spousal support.
So
Remember
if
say
she
their
wanted,
opinion.
then, all right, then
No.
who you that
But
blame?
watch when-
Would you come out and say, oh, Cardi B wants spousal support? Why she want that? Because she have her money. Would you say that?
Dog, listen up.
You'd have said no, because she a
Yeah,
woman.
man, you have to take care of your responsibility of your breedy woman, brother.
What responsibility?
Then have them
The
picnic.
kids?
Yeah.
So, but the two of them are millionaire. The money what them have,
You don't have nothing
can
to
more
do.
than take care of
No,
every single
let me
person
tell
in
you,
the family.
let me tell you what him do. You see, through him know say, yo, if him no file feed, Cardi B go file feed. And that him do, you know. He might try use reverse psychology, you know.
Then the man have to beat it then.
No, bro, listen, you have
Man
to
have
you
to
them,
beat it,
you have to
dog.
you them, take care of
Brother,
you them, bro.
If you look on the track records of celebrity,
Yeah.
and me can give a few. Me not say everybody, but me remember this superstar footballer, Zayn married to one woman. And then a man make sure the dog him put everything in her mother name. Because as soon as the woman reach 2 years, the woman want divorce, and then the woman say, yo, me I take everything or half of what you have. By the time she ready to take it, nothing she have left with nothing, dog.
That's
Because
true.
everything was in the human. The man don't even buy clothes in her name. Everybody go cuss the man and say, yo, he's a bitch move, Ray. But
No.
if a man never protect him assets,
Me never say that.
when him works so hard for,
Listen up.
then the woman would have gone with it.
I may understand that, cause
All right.
none of them women are wicked.
But hold on, let me give you one more scenario before we move on. There was this basketballer, you can look it up too. The basketballer have one girlfriend and him say, yo, all right, I'm going to marry to the girl because them they together for 3 years.
Yeah.
Then, when him ready for marry to the girl, him say, yo, man, say, you meet me with me things. I have my assets before you.
So why then not sign a prenup?
All right. So now, I'm glad you mentioned that. Because the man said, listen, we're going to sign the prenup because I have to protect my assets.
Yeah.
Long and short of the story is that up until when they go up in the elevator, all of them, the man have a prenup in their hand. When him reach up to the day, the man attack his story, up to the day of the wedding, the man have a prenup, because the girl stretch out the thing,
Yeah.
And then the pastor go say, make God take this, God take that. The man just tear up and just walk out, bro.
Because I planned, that was the plan for taking man things.
So you can't know people intention, bro. Not because the man is a man, dog.
Yo, CARDI B and Offset thing a different thing.
Bro.
And most of them American man, bro.
No, but what
most
I
of
say
them
is that you have to
American man,
protect
bro.
your assets.
Yeah,
and
bro.
if them rich together,
Bro,
dog,
most
CARDI B would have do the same
listen
thing.
to most American men, dog. I saw them stay. They have some like a bitch move, dog. When I grow up, Offset a bitch move that. That's my thing.
Yo,
the man not supposed to ask no spousal support. Be a man. That's my thing there.
yo, you're right, so dog. But we give Andrew Holness a round of applause.
Yeah, man, round of applause. Andrew, good job, good job. Good job, my chief.
Yeah, because even though the little fuck with them where I go on.
He might do a good job.
Listen.
A lot of people might disagree.
Yeah, as me don't tell you from day one.
You're not affiliated with no party.
No party, me no political. Me never vote a day in my life.
Yeah.
Me never vote for PNP,
You always tell me.
Right, so me no vote. But the thing is that
you're voting in the US?
Me never vote in the US either.
You go tell Uncle Donald.
What up? Big one thing. When you see good dog, you have to really put the good to the front.
You have to applaud it, man.
You have to applaud the good dog because crime rate keep on a rise. I'm really rate out. People might cuss Andrew Holness and say this and say that, dog. You see me? But for also push the good forward.
Yeah, man. They not like highlight the good.
Yeah.
You see me? They only highlight the bad.
Crime rate drop the lowest ever.
In 30 years.
Over 34 years.
Yeah, man.
True. Over 34 years.
That's true.
That's basically all my life. You have to
applaud
them stuff there, dog.
When I say basically.
Yo, don't watch me age, dog.
Watch this now. Now I explain something to you, though. We live in an era where everything is easier to be highlighted. Probably back in the day, crime rate was on the lowest same way, But it was recorded, according to.
No.
You see me?
No, dog. You never did that.
You see, no.
Most of it did record.
Watch this. You live America. If one fly dead over there, so you hear 5 minutes after I fly dead. You see, back in the idea, if one fly dead over there, so it take you 6 months to hear say fly dead.
True.
You see, now, 5 minutes it take you.
Or less.
Because
people go live on the show instant.
So are you getting my point? Back in the idea, you have people who not even used to record them date of birth when they born. You have people who know the correct data when they born back in the idea. You see me? Because guess what? You have pitney we born a yard and they stay a yard till them are 2-3 months. And when they are 2-3 months, at that time, they carry them go a clinic and get rare. That is when it is recorded, say, this child was born.
Okay.
You see me I say? That idea, you're probably 3 months older than where you be. If you get what me I say.
Yeah, I understand that.
So you see now that them come and I say, yo, crime rate drop rare. Listen, Andrew Holness is a great prime minister to me.
So what you say? What your baseline is that you say them probably halter the number?
No, me I say what I'm saying is probably back in the ideas it did lower.
It probably did lower. We never know about that. So that 34 years until now, statistics shows that it is the first in history that it has been this low, dog.
I'm glad, because a lot of people in the diaspora, bro, a lot of people don't want to go back to Jamaica because of the
crime rate, bro. So I may show you, dog, you have to applaud those things, dog. And even if it not that much significant as where them put it.
No, man, listen.
It's still worth highlighting and it's still worth applauding.
True.
You see me?
I wicked this thing, man.
Yeah, dog. I one of the worst things we have bring down Jamaica.
You have your kids, them, even if you go to Jamaica, dog, and you did it, you fear for your life because you say, yo, you don't want to go, you don't want to go there, so because you don't know what will happen. And
crime been
Back
plaguing
in
Jamaica,
ideas, he never be like that. He never
Yeah,
used to
dog.
stay them way there, bro. My father come from foreign, my daddy gone all boat.
Mm.
You know, I see him 2-3 days. Yeah, you know, afraid about it.
That me I
You
say
see me?
because when me did younger, as you talk about that, when me did younger, me and my brethren them sit down on the street till hours a night, bro.
Real
You see
pray.
me? We sit down, we cook food, we go thief some orange cross the road, we go broke out some man cane
So a long time you thief.
What else I say?
Guys, you heard it here first. Boy, did that thief rich.
You see me? But dog, I mean, things and times change. I'm like, oh, the improvement look, dog.
You ready for this?
Ready or no, dog?
You ready for this?
You ready for this?
Yeah. Yo,
Drop it.
me know say I'm not gonna say me a sheep nation. Me know say I'm not gonna say yo, the boy on cartel every day and come on cartel. Nah, me not come on nobody.
Dog.
You see me?
Because they're gonna say, why?
Why?
Brother, we are coming about compare cartel.
No, when me say, all right, cut out this.
Yeah, fix up that. Yo, black out that.
Cut out this. Listen.
Fix
me
up
know,
the
me know
argument,
every day
bro.
people are gonna say, yo, them are say, yo, every day this man come and talk about cartel. But you see, cartel are the teacher and people have seen where people are learning. People are taking notes. You see me? Vice cartel are doing things and people are taking notes. Me I talk from Alkaline, me I talk from like Ayactian. All of these artists.
So what? Because
You see me?
Ayactian go buy a house, you know?
Bro, alright, let me ask you one question. How long now Ayactian live in the US?
Well, I don't really know.
Ayactian live in the
but I know
US.
same day for a while though.
Alright. Why all of a sudden you go buy house in a Miami and you go give house tour? Hi, my neighbors! Eh?
Why?
Why?
Why? Let me tell you why. I'm more you listen and listen keen.
Yeah.
You see, nothing happened before the time in your life.
And you see, time is because the teacher come and show them say it
Bro,
can be done.
Listen to what I'm saying. Nothing happened before the time in your life. It is just Ayactian time.
Yeah.
If you buy him house, come on social media and say, neighbors, I just film time.
Dog, you teach and people are take notes.
And people are take notes.
Right, they say
I'm
thing
still
there.
proud of Actian.
But big up yourself, Ayactian. Big up
because
yourself.
him last album still going good, you know. God and I.
Listen now.
The man make a money off it. So probably because he make the money off it, you know, the man say, yo, you see, because my album going good, I'm going to drop a house for that. And the man says, boom,
I'll show you
I buy a house in Miami.
You see, let me tell you this. Cartel is a trendsetter, you know. And you see when Cartel do certain things, he make people get inspired. Cartel, they are prison for 13 years. Right?
Zin.
When Cartel did the in our world before he got prison, Cartel did have street vibes rum. Zin?
Mm-hmm.
Which other artists did have a rum in a Jamaica?
Nobody.
You have to think about it, tapping eyes.
Nobody.
All right, watch this now. Cartel spent 13 years and come back from prison. And when Cartel come back from prison, he come back with straight vibes.
Straight vibes.
See?
Zin.
So, we have Electric, we have Ray. Oh, all of a sudden, Alkaline.
Oh, hold on. Massacre. I think Massacre did have one rum too.
Cartel in my father.
You see? Now that he come back to a man, Massacre did have a rum. Beanie Man did have a rum.
Which rum?
Beanie Man and Corey did do a rum after Vibes Cartel, Street Vibes.
Nobody know about it.
Nobody know about it.
Nobody
but
know
it did
about
have a rum though.
Nobody know about it.
You
know why? What's your
name?
name?
I don't remember, but
What's
Beanie
your
Man did have a
You
rum.
know why Beanie Man wouldn't do a rum? It was because of Corey Tad. Corey Tad was Vibes Cartel manager at the time.
Yes.
So you see same game where Cartel and Corey Tad did use play the industry. Corey Tad did try to carry that over to Beanie Man, but it couldn't work.
It never worked. So
you get me?
Cartel did set the trend there. So
all right, watch out now.
With the rum thing.
So you see Alkaline get rum too. Alkaline has signed some signature rum for rum bar. Alkaline get. So me I show you say teacher and people are take notes. You get me? I say?
All right. Whichever rum is a good look.
Let me just show you.
So if you follow a teacher, but yo, me not to go and say, yo.
He might say nobody not inspire me. No?
Yeah, dog, but you can't. Would you say that Footer hype a follow now?
Footer hype been a follow, brother.
Go buy a Lamborghini.
You don't see Footer run go buy a Lamborghini because he make a piece of money. Some of them man, they not even them are by liability.
Dog, people will say you're bad mind.
Them are by no, I'm a bad mind. Watch out, at least I obtained by a house that is an asset.
So what about that? Are you just tell me the other day someone have to buy a fat ride?
No, man have to buy a fat ride, but me not see foot out buying a big house.
House can skate on the tool.
House can skate on the tool. Yo,
the man need the fat ride, brother.
The man go buy a Lambo.
What you mean?
Big up yourself foot out with the Lambo, cause
what you mean?
I don't know. Me here say you sign a big deal, and I don't know what that big deal consists of. But congrats, my G.
What you mean?
But you know, in a life you have a asset that's not a liability. A car is a liability. Once you drive that off the lot,
Still
the price depreciate and. You see me? You see if you have a house.
Fat ride, we say same way.
You see if you have a house, my G, at least you can rent out your house or.
So
you
know him not have a house, but him just don't come and put it on social media too.
Me never see.
But if him come now and put it on social media, well, me not say why? If him forward now and put it on social media, you're gonna say man a follow.
No, you shouldn't do that first.
The man just never want to do it.
Every time you see put in a car, I wonder if I live. You see me? But you could come after that. You see me? Yo, Vice Cartel show in a Trinidad. It's like some contract breach or... The people them never come for the right amount of money. And Vice Cartel did already tell you before him start them tour. Yeah. You see me? The man say if you get a deal in your city, that a couple million US dollar.
So Trinidad never come up with $1 million.
Listen up, the man say if you get a deal in your city, that a couple million US dollar and it cannot fit in your belly.
Yo, you know what I feel like? Because Carter is a hotter road now. The man too expensive, you know that.
Yes.
I feel like him,
me feel so, but look here, you see, if you don't know your value, if you don't know your value, you will settle for anything. Your price high.
Your price of high for real.
You see me?
I say go for real.
You think you can tell Jay-Z if you come perform for $20 when he knows you're 30 if you get her 50?
Yeah.
So why you don't want to do it to Cartel?
Trinidad, fix it for yourself.
Forget it, a DJ in our city is a couple million. That's the thing there.
Can't hold in your belly.
US dollar and it cannot hold in your belly. Right, that's how we think there. Big up everybody where repost.
Yo, big up on yourself, you know.
To good life.
Oh, yeah.
And success.
To success, bro.
Right, that's how we think there, you see me?
Yeah, man.
And brothership, not friendship.
Brothership,
you see me? Outside.